In this video, I'll show you how to connect IC markets to TradingView. First, make sure you're on a chart, then go down to the trading panel at the bottom of TradingView. This is where you'll see the list of supported brokers that you can connect directly to the platform. Scroll through the list until you find IC markets. Once you see it, click on the name, then press Connect. A login window will appear asking for your IC markets credentials. Enter your registered email and password, then click Login. If your details are correct, your IC Markets account will be successfully connected to TradingView. From there, you'll be able to place trades, manage positions, and monitor your account directly from your TradingView charts. This connection allows you to use TradingView's powerful charting tools alongside IC Markets execution, giving you the best of both platforms. And that's it. Your IC Markets account is now linked to TradingView. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.